Hey you guys, as you can tell by the title of this video, I have just received my waist beads. I received them from Tayshawn Miller's daughter, and Tayshawn Miller has a channel on here on YouTube. So if you'd like to follow her journey with the waist beads for weight loss, I will put her information down below. However, I wanted to share as well the installation of me putting these waist beads on. I have my daughter helping me with the tying them up in the back because I want to make sure that the beads get pushed back properly. And also I'm sharing this video for accountability. So I won't show my face, but I will show my body from pretty much the breast down. But I'm also going to show how my stomach looks before, and hopefully my goal within 6 months is to see some results. These are the permanent waist beads, but if you visit her daughter's channel, I'm gonna I love my waist beads. I think it's I love my waist. Take that back. I'll put her information down below on Instagram so that you can inquire with her in reference to getting the waist beads, which are permanent, and also the ones that are removable. She does the designs by your request, and she has some that are already made. You can visit her website, so that information will also be down below. So I just want to quickly go ahead and install my waist beads and just share it with you, and you can share this journey with me. Visit my channel, and thank you for all those that are still subscribed to my channel. I truly appreciate it because I'm so random with sharing videos, but I'm also sharing something that's true to me, and I want to make sure that I'm doing something that's accountable, and maybe this will help me stay on the right track. So again, these are my waist beads. So I'm going to open them, and I've already prayed over them. And that's your choice if you don't want to do that, but I already did. So you're going to get them in a nice bag. And the colors that I chose was black, green, and yellow, and a jewel for the middle. So what you're going to need when you do this is simply a pair of scissors and a lighter to tie the end to secure the knot once you tie it. Again, these are my beads. So let me pick them up, and I got them in a plus size, so that way I had enough string to work with, beads to work with, and I can cut off what I don't use and then put them back in the bag. When you get them, you'll see that she has them already knotted at the end, if you can see that, so that way the beads won't come off. And I got this nice little jewel piece for the middle. I thought that was really cute. And again, you can also order the ones with the clasp on the end, which you can take off on and off, but these are the permanent ones. Again, it's because I want to lose some weight, and so that's why I got the permanent ones. However, this is the length of the beads. This is a plus size one, and that's pretty much a lot of beads to work with. I chose black, green, and yellow. And if you want to know what those meanings are, you can actually Google that, but I'll try to put something down below so you can click on the link. But I chose black and chose green and I chose yellow. Those are the colors that I'm surfacing around, and then the one jewel. All right, so first, let me show you the beginning stage of my stomach, and this is what I'm working on. I really have it here, so hopefully as I'm working here that this will reduce itself, but I have a nice patch. You probably can't see very well because it's black, but I will expose it a little bit like this so that way you can see. I have my love handles here, which I really truly hate, but the only way it's going to get rid of is if I work on it, so that's why I chose to get the waist beads. I have these, definitely have these handles here, and that's where I'm going to insert the beads right in there. But I wanted you to see that. This is a start, and today's date is April the 8th. It's a Wednesday, April the 8th, 2020. We're dealing with the COVID-19. So we're on pretty much where we have to stay in the house. We're confined. So this is a good time for me to do this. But here is the beginning page. And now we will install. So hopefully it won't be like this long, but this is a step in the right direction. So once you do this, you want to, come on, you can get behind me. Again, so when you put this on, I want to make sure that I place them where I want them. Get behind me that way. Okay. I think I want to put them right here. This is where they need to be, and when you push the beads this way, so that way they won't have any gaps in them. Does that make any sense? Okay. So, are you holding it? It's like you're not holding it. All right. Okay. Put them together. Okay. And this is where I want it. Right there. Is it? Yep, and it's in my roll. That's where I want it. Right there. Okay. So you push. Make sure you push the beads back. Don't do it too tight. But make sure the beads is pulled back. Are you putting it up?
Yes.
Okay. So while she's doing that, I want to make sure that it's secure. The beads are pushed forward. There's none lingering because I don't want anything pinching me. Seems like you're not tightening it. Ow. See, yeah, you're going to have to make sure it's tight. And push the beads back. Don't worry about the other ones that's dangling. That's where it should be, right there. So tie a knot there. Hold on, because I see beads, feel beads that are not pushed back. Come on, honey. Where are the beads at?
Let me show you.
Let me pause. Okay, we finally got the beads, the string tied. So now hopefully, can you get that? Burn it. Don't burn the whole, just get the pieces sticking out. Just a little bit. Oh. One more time, real close. Ooh.
How do I move your hand?
Yeah. It hurts. We're having a little technical difficulty with the... There we go.
Sorry, mommy.
Okay, so...
Okay.
You got that little bit of scream on there? I'm sorry. So now, let's turn them. Can you help me turn them a little bit? Oh, God, because the beads in the back. Oh. You feel the emerald? I mean the yellow jewel. There, it's coming. The jewel is coming. So I'm trying to get this around to the front. It's taking a little time. Ooh. Hot up in this bathroom. Okay, so now we finally have the waist beads where I want them. And this is how it is. In between my love handle. All the way around. Like so. But it's now installed. Finally. So check back periodically and we'll keep tabs on how much they fall or they raise. It's hot in this bathroom, so I gotta go. Thank you for stopping by my channel and see you in the next video. Peace.